Welcome back. Today, as you can see, I am doing a 4th of July special. Doing an update video on my Kool window air conditioner and a startup and shutdown. I am way overdue for an update video, so figured why not do it on the 4th of July. It's been cranking out ice cubes, like usual. Working pretty well. It's gonna need cleaning soon after this summer, maybe in the middle of the summer, but because I don't know if you can see all that cotton wood stuff and clogging up the condenser, but it's still blowing out nice amount of air. 2 nights ago, actually, we were running it at night, and it was about 53 degrees outside. It was pretty chilly. And what I believe happened was the evaporator actually froze up. And so the unit actually shut off. Because I heard crackling noises. So I guess it was melting. And the blower wasn't throwing out much air at all. But it was throwing out really cold air. And I believe what happened was the evaporator actually froze up. So yeah. Pretty crazy. But yeah, here's the startup. It's actually been running all day, but it's working well. Figured I'd do the update video. So the updates, this actually used to be regular wood color. We actually have painted it white now. And as you can see, these are yellowing. Stuff like that. We put this here, which is a stopper, and grabs onto the window so no one can push through. What else? Painted that white, the window stop. And I don't know if you could see, we actually siliconed the windows, so now they are see through the screen right there. They are actually sealed. And I'll show you an update once we get inside. Yep, it's running pretty good. Let's go inside now. See, there's the tripod. My GoPro mount. I hate this bush. Pricks the hell out of you. And there will be firework videos tonight. So anyways, it's pretty warm in here. 76. There's the Lakewood. Still have to upload a video of this. But yeah, it's cranking out ice cubes like usual. Gonna have to clean the filter eventually. It's getting pretty dirty. We have these little magnets here now to hold the curtain up against the unit. So one on that side, 2 on the front, on that side. So yeah. That's my gaming stuff. That's my friend's gaming stuff. Anyways, we will go ahead and show the update on the thingy. Alrighty, another update. We actually now have a seal. Stick to open, but as you can see, we have a seal around there. It's not the best, but it works. We have one up here, around the window, and this thing's actually really good, because you can just put this in the window. This fan, this comfort zone fan, and it works a lot better than the oscillating fan. But we're not talking about this thing in this video. We're talking about the air conditioner updates. So still got this little screen right here. I actually did an update video a few months ago. Or not a few months ago. This new silicone right there. Like a few weeks ago, I believe. Almost a month ago, I'm guessing. Of an update video. But I never got to uploading it. Let me put these back on. These are to block light. Whoops. Forgot about that. So yeah, those are to block out the light and hold the curtain against the thing. Against the unit. So the curtain doesn't go in front of it and recycle air. So yeah, I guess that's all. I guess I'll go ahead and do a shutdown video now, or do a shutdown. So anyways, let's head outside. By the way, if you want me to do a video on my gaming stuff, I will gladly do a video of that. There's my cat. So, not entirely sure how to make a poll. Well, YouTube actually removed polls, so never mind, but let me know if you would like a video of that. It just pricked me in the ass. That hurt. Alright, so we will go ahead and do the shutdown now. Alrighty. And there you guys go. You can see the fan spinning in there still. Alright. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And have a Jesus Christ. And have a happy 4th of July. And like I said, there will be fireworks videos being uploaded tonight. A lot of fireworks. So, anyways, thanks for watching.